Hi YouTube. These Swift cupboard catches are quite nice looking, but they eventually, after a lot of use, give trouble. Sometimes they'll open, sometimes they won't. So we're looking for a cheap fix to this problem. The back of the catch can be removed quite easily just by removing these two, unscrewing these two crosshead screws, and then when this front part becomes loose, this bit just screws off, so you can dismantle them quite easily. Into the front part and the back part. So just looking at the catch body now, comes off and it splits apart okay. You can see that when you press the handle, it presses that plunger down. It's supposed to send that catch up, but you can feel there's something jamming up inside. So you take the top off, shows the catch mechanism there, and you don't want to lose that spring. Keep your eye on that spring. But you can see that little red thing there has moved sideways a little bit, and what's happened is you can see it's got a little plastic arm on it there, moulded in. You can see the root of the mechanism there when you press it in and out. And when you look on the other side, the arm's broken off. So you can see with the red piece in place, with an arm broken off one side, it actually moves out of line there because there's nothing to spring it back into position. So I looked at it and I realised that it needs something thin and springy to perhaps be able to fix this, and I wondered what we had around the house that might just do the job. So I then thought about the beer can. So I had a beer while I was thinking, and then I had an epiphany. I could cut the can apart and get a thin piece of metal with a bend on it that would just fit in to the back of there and make it able to be springy again. So with a pair of scissors, I cut a suitable piece out of the Stella Artois beer can, and I've shoved it down there. I've wedged it between the red plastic mechanism piece and the back of the housing. So I'll just reassemble this now and show you. So I'm just holding it all together with my fingers there, with the little metal spring in place, and that is very positive. So I'm going to reassemble it back into the drawer and see how we go. There we have the catch reassembled now, with the new spring in, made out of the beer can, and it's back to how it was new. So cheap fix and worthwhile job. See you guys.